Okay, welcome back to the laboratory. All right, today we're going to put this bad boy helicopter back together and see how she's looking. In the last video, I showed you how I was going to construct a tail rotor and stabilizer wing, which I've done using a piece of an old beat up AT chopper blade. And we got a spinning one even. Pretty cool. Okay. Now, next thing to do is to put the body together and put the rotor mechanism back in. At the top, it was so beat to hell where the C-clip was that I wound up just using some super glue to glue this back together. I also replaced this, which is that orange slider tube you see there. This one was so beat to crap. Come on, focus. Focus, there we go. So beat to crap that I didn't want to reuse it. So anyhow, we put a new one in there made out of the tube from those arrow props. So now I have locked the spring in place with a pair of vice grips, and we're going to put this back together. First of all, get the side with the hole, the buttonhole. That would be this side. From the inside here, slide the button through the hole, and this little black thing is a spacer that goes through the other hole next to the buttonhole. So we're going to go like this, slide it in there. There we go. We're in position. Now we're going to take the other half. That little washer and spring in here has to be above this portion of the chopper body. We're going to put this back together here like this. Got that. Got these pieces together. Line up your pegs. All pretty self-explanatory. And just pop it back together. A little squeeze, there we go. And then you can remove the vice grips. There we go. Alright, this little doohickey goes down into those slots, as you may recall. Just kind of push it in there. Until it snaps into place. And this one needs a little help. We're going to give it a little push with a pick. Okay, there we go. All locked into place. And we can still move the rotor, move this down to get the rotor blades out if we want. We're all good to go here. All right, next step. I think we'll put the pontoons on next, just because I want to. Jim Egner's super awesome pontoon set. Gotta love it. All right. We're gonna take the little pins. And we'll the assembly of this. Arrow to the front. Long peg goes in the back. shorter peg goes in the front. So we'll take this and we'll slide those pins in there. And we'll spin her around. And we'll take these other two pins. I modified the pins on this side mainly because I was afraid of breaking this thing by tweaking it enough to pop it into the holes. So I ground the little ridges on them so I could just push them in from that side. And it looks like it's holding together pretty good. No issues here. Got some cool looking pontoons on there. Okay, come on, get on there. All right, let's try the other side. Okay. There we go. It should be pushed on there a little further, but that'll do for right now. Okay. For the tail. We all know how that's going to go. There we go. Rotor blades. Pretty sure we all know how to attach those. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Okay. And we've got our windshield. Control box. Let's put the seat in first. That probably be better. And we'll put the control box in. And there we go. Looking better every time, folks. All right. I think next we'll do some detail painting. I love this thing. That was just awesome on my part. Anyhow, some detail painting. I do believe we'll make a harness for Joe, some stickers, and some equipment. And I think we can call this one pretty well ready to rock and roll. All right, well, thanks for watching. Glad you like it. I know you like it. And we'll see you next time.